Little cuckoo. The cow in the field says moo, moo, moo. The dog in the yard says oof, oof, oof. The cat on the roof says meow, meow, meow. Let's all make sounds, let's do it now. Animal sounds, what do you hear? Listen closely, they are so near. Moo, oof, meow. Let's make the sounds, me and you. The duck in the pond says quack, quack, quack. The sheep in the field says ba, ba, ba. The horse in the barn says neigh, neigh, neigh. Let's make the sounds and play all day. Animal sounds, what do you hear? Listen closely, they are so near. Quack, ba, neigh. Let's make the sounds, me and you. The pig in the pen says oink, oink, oink. The bird in the tree says tweet, tweet, tweet. The frog by the lake says ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Making animal sounds is so much fun, isn't it? Animal sounds, what do you hear? Listen closely, they are so near. Oink, tweet, ribbit. Now we have learned the sounds they make. Let's sing again for goodness sake. Animal friends, big and small, making their sounds, we love them all. Like and subscribe Little Cuckoo for more fun.